First of all, 99.9% of Jamaican man suck pussy, especially the bad man there. And nobody suck pussy good like bad man. Me now ask Jesus Christ. Them know if you eat it from the back, and I love when you eat it from the back.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, this is Jamaica Media TV, the leader TV. And on the topic today, woman exposed, Jamaican, Badman, hidden habits, them secret, yes. The woman say you have them secret, you know? So please like, share and
me
subscribe.
I understand why the man them feel like say, yo, them can go fling cocky over this and the girl them can fling them pussy. Me go fling my pussy all about my love. And live my peaceful life. You know, see Corona come kill off all our. Imagine if Corona blood clot killer, you only fuck one man. Imagine if Corona kill you and one man you fuck and you never experience some good nice cocky. Come make one boy fuck one time and my ball live in high water.
Wait a minute.
Me never know say so cocky nice, I swear to God. Me threaten the boy, I say me go kill your blood clot, not the boy. You fuck for me. That the boy the pies me love me that for run left him.
So when do you make you cry I water? Me not understand.
No, the body did sweet, me not lie, me don't know what the inner penis. Serious something.
Me get it. You say you suck it?
Yeah, me suck it. Remember say YouTube me learn for suck body, you know I can start suck body.
Hold on. Stop it. Stop it.
No, I remember say me start so couldn't late now. Maybe not late too, I know.
What did I learn? Tutorial them for YouTube.
Yes. So me meet the man now when me are 27 and remember say me never suck good yet, so me want to learn for suck good. So me just go up on YouTube and type it in how to do a blow job. And it show me. And me go practice. Something wrong with that? Man? No, the man. Me now watch it while the man asleep and then go take him body put in my mouth and me a practice. What the
I want them to do the practice, man.
No, me say I'm a good man now. Me I say, me not gonna make you so good make girl take my man. So me I go learn how to fit because me never so good yet.
Yeah.
So me go up on YouTube and learn.
Yeah. And
I have a practice for him. The man asleep, so me not just put the body in my mouth and try wake him up and it wake him up and so. Remember now be me can't come over here now because me can't about that.
Yo, hear me I say, man. So hold on. So how long it take you to learn and become pro?
Me not try to do it every night. The first time I do it, me this shame. Me this shame because me I said, me not feel like say me do a good job, you know. This no look right. Me not feel like I saw it go. So me I tell him the next morning, say, boy, me not feel like say me for do it again. You understand?
Yeah.
But then he must say, no, man. But then me just start do it every night until me get it right.
Yeah. and it take you about a month or so to get it right.
Yeah, you know, because we live together now, so we can start practice every night now.
Oh, so you and him live together?
Yeah, me and him live together at the time. So me just practice till me get it right. Me not no shame. So everybody has so good and so pussy now, we don't know what all who want to say. Them not so
hey, oi. Stop it. Listen to me. Hear me out. Stop it.
First of all, 99.9% of Jamaican man suck pussy, especially the bad man them. Especially the bad man them. And nobody suck pussy good like bad man. Me now ask Jesus Christ. Them know if you eat it from the back, and I love when you eat it from the back. When you eat it from the back, you crawl on the wall and what them call me over here so far?
Stop it.
What?
Yeah, that's the man, girl. What the fuck clock there? Relax yourself.
Noah.
Come talk about every man. Every man where?
Noah, 99.9% of Jamaican men eat vagina. No, it is the truth. Noah, enough for your friend them where you say and my friend them do it. And they are up. Yes, they are up.
Which guy can go up on level and say me do it? Call him.
Look here. Me not say if you walk around and just eat everybody, you know, but you can eat the woman them in our yard. And no found because the woman don't in the dance. Listen. So listen what me I say Noah. No found the woman them want to deal with is totally different from the woman them want to see out a road I like. Right?
Yeah.
So we not expect someone to go do the dance hall woman them, but the woman them want to see on the church woman want to have inside where Mary Magdalene when I come out and I know want to eat them vagina. Want to eat them vagina. Because you don't want to be to the rare girl and for them talk.
What a girl wicked man. Oh yeah, try to put everybody in at the thing where just talk.
No, but that's true me attack. No, it's true me attack. Jamaican man. You love stereotyping, but who Jamaican man no suck pussy? Suck pussy inventor Jamaica. Because one bad man near my front, I'm a crawl the blood clot wall. Look now I go here. Act like strawberry when I them time there. Me love rose petal and the something them. Blood clot you know what? Look here.
What are you going to bed? The life you have been done right now. You know no man as little girl. What are they? Why you have a foreplay and dress up like strawberry?
No, me have to dress up on my name strawberry. I'm going to put on the wig and line out the rose petal them and the champagne and whipped cream and everything. Now we get festive. And if the man would not root not right, me give him the kangaroo pill and me take the pink pussy. Me not talk this already, Noah. Come here to make the fuck nice, you know.
What the fuck is kangaroo pill? Me and you talk about something over.
Young boy, some of them boys are put root now. Me are not talk about man and sex and woman pussy big and them something about to not talk about the fat but some of them boy are old little and coming like blood clot rocking chair. It's stiff up your side on my bottom weak. When you sit up
No, but a serious note. Them people need to pay me for them entertainment.
Look here what you stress me out in my bed.
No, people. On the can't say on the other edge of themselves. They come up my life, right?
No, enough of them boy are out here, them walk and fuck and them would root dead. Some of them, one time I give one boy a piece, the boy would can't stiff up. Me say, no, sir, something wrong with you and nothing wrong with blood clot me. And the man said, don't leave him, wait. Him say, wait. Me say, all right, me drop asleep. 1 hour time, boy, would stiff. Me know the Cialis him go take. Me know how the pill him go take. Would root now. Jesus Christ, them come about me right name. Judgment on the live, and allow the government on the live.
What them say your name?
Taitola. Noah, look here. Me can't come over here. Me can't come over here if you not go behave like say una no grown people and the whole of we all know. Someone who can't fuck una for suck pussy for true. It might sound raw. You guys have to eat the furky purr because you guys penis have no use. Una fucked out, una done out, just like on see the girl there.
Me in 1%. Me in 1%.
Me don't know which part you want up on the left or the right. But some of on the man on fi eat pum pum cause on the body not going on with them. Sometimes you and the man that have sex it coming like rape, dry sex, your pussy can't wet, would not go out with nothing. Them don't even know if you kiss you up on your breast, no if you suck your breast. Them a be your teeth, them a bite up on your blood clot breast. Boy, if you can't bite me up on my body, you suck pussy.
Stop it, calm down.
No. You can't come over, you come take over my show right now.
No, but you can't call me over here, so I mean, want to call me over here, son.
Rika, we can't hear her. Rika, we can't make kids come over here, come take over the show.
No, but on the truth, no, Rika, the on phone side, I be up on the girl them side.
Rika, no one a Sealand show. We can't make kids
but come look here, no, the call, the people must say a request, me getting a special request. The people them did need me. The ladies them did need me now.
Yo, people, you know the woman say, yeah, but I would fuck them come like a rape. Man, they have fuck her pussy can't get wet and dry.
Yeah, so sometimes you have sex with that boy, you have to have blood clot upon. Yeah, fuck me, daddy. And you know, say, nothing now go on in about 2 you want to rent pay my love. You have to put on Yeah, we put that on Noah. Look here.
Fear the life, fear the life, fear the life.
Look here.
Oh, them say me life not
Enough
bad.
girl up on that live, yeah, I pretend about the sex when them have the sex, cause the boy not go out, but girl know the rent of a pay a man in. When mama done, fuck me daddy, fuck me, fuck this Asian pussy. Proper porn star mama turn. And boy now going out, see mama face up in the sky. And the
Stop it, sound up.
mama face make up and mama face ignorant for the boy.
Yeah.
Me can't bother with uno. Uno for stop.
Well, go on, we have a song. You have to tell me, you have to talk that again. Let's say, girl, our face up in the ear, right?
No, she depend. Fuck me daddy and then Sierra. Up in the sky cause she can't wait for the fuck done, my love, cause she know the man now blood clot go out with nothing. All me just put out in bomber clot. Enough boy me put out.
Boy, then they are stab. And hear him now.
Blood? Look here now, me got my bed.
Me not eat a cocky straight in here.
Yeah, sometimes, and enough woman if you show the likes too, them want the things, them pretend like the body have liquor use. Body not no use. Some of them man I don't even know for fuck, know for make a woman feel good. I want a man when him touch me, I just start tremble so. I just saw me, and him don't ever start fuck me yet. Them man ain't on a style now.
Me that.
Some of them tongue have power more than, you see me I say, than them things.
Nobody rhyme not with my name right now. Move your butt up, but some of them tongue have power. Then they see get here, I know.
No, hey, the woman them didn't need that person to talk, you know, cause everybody a ball out in the comment, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody a ball out in the comment, you know, cause the woman them afraid for talk, cause they might feel like, say, me no business. Me rather for just stay by myself, cause sometimes you just blood clot. Fuck and it don't make no sense. You ever fuck and vex yet? No, I freeze up again, my love. My God, I'm my bed.
Yo, you don't say your Wi-Fi.
Noah, it's your Wi-Fi, Noah.
Eh?
Are your Wi-Fi?
No, man, from your company live, you have freeze me. I tell you.
No, enough time we have to pretend to make us feel good. Sometimes I just chat them with my friend and say, watch him.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below.